So how can you make the double tap screen on your Android phone? Let's get into it. So the double tapping features can be managed, of course, inside of the settings app. So just locate your settings, and in the section through the menus, just scroll through them until you find advanced features. So just click on this and you can already see some options, but the thing we want to get into is the motions and gestures. And in there, you already see some double tap toggles. So we have the double tap to turn on a screen, we have the double tap to turn off the screen. So both of these toggles can be enabled or disabled depending on your preference. Naturally, this is self-explanatory enough to know what it does, right? So whenever you are on the locked phone, you can double tap with your finger to make it light up, and also you can double tap to make it go to sleep, right? So that's how it works. If you go to the search and look up the double tap, right, you can also see that there are some other options. For example, double press of the side button, the physical one on the side of the phone, right? So this is also something you can manage. And also we have the double tap the space bar to add, like the dot right there. So you can see that it adds the period. So this is another thing which you might be interested in. But that's gonna be about it. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully do this and set it up. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos.